This is FiiO FH1, a balanced hybrid IEM. Let's have a look. Before we start the review, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable a notification so you won't miss any tech reviews. Thank you. FiiO FH1 is not a new IEM for sure. It is almost 9-month-old earphone, but has a lot of potential and worth to talk about it. I was not sure if it's worth to spend the time and work to do the review of an IEM which is already on the market for this long time, and probably many other tech channels are already covered it. But many of you just asked to do a comparison with other earphones, so here I am. I'm not going to go into any details how it sounds compared with others. You will ask it anyway and we'll discuss it in the comment section. Instead, I will do the full review of it for you guys. The FiiO FH1 unboxing experience is very appealing, premium packaging with premium accessories. Inside the box we got the IEM itself, a very sturdy carry box which holds the two types of cables, one 3.5mm and one 2.5mm cable. Besides these, 6 pair ear tips and documentation. The earphone itself has no ear tips on by default, which I think actually a good thing, so the customer is somehow forced to take the effort to use the best fit ear tip from the bundled package. I'm sure many customers just simply use the default applied one and complain if the sound quality is not what they imagined. Anyway, back to the topic. Both cables are high quality, gold-plated termination in both ending. The 3.5mm is more like, let's say, casual user who will probably use the FH1 with a smartphone or a standard music player. This cable also has an inline control, which is for an audiophile a simply no-no. For them, the other cable with the 2.5mm jack is a better option. No inline control and the cable is more like a braided one. Very smooth cover, no stickiness, absolutely top-notch build quality. Thumbs up for that. The microphone on the 3.5mm version is very sensitive and got a very good clear voice. Very ideal for voice recording or simply voice calls as well. This is a microphone test of the FiiO FH1. The housing of FH1, except for the nozzle, is made out of plastic. I was really surprised because at the first glance I was almost sure it is metal, but that's not the case. Anyway, it helps to keep the IEM as light as possible, and even if it's plastic, the quality here is superb as well. No crackling, no cheap feeling, well built. Both the cable and the IEM are color coded. Red is the right side, blue is the left, default color coding. The cable flexible ear hooks are very handy and got really good comfort as well. Same with the IEM shelf, smooth, comfortable to wear and very tight fit, but not too much. I had similar comfort with only some custom molded IEMs like the MakaiTechReviews K5, but that has a totally different price segment. To test the sound quality, I used the freshly tested FiiO M3K DAP. Test music was Bob Dylan, a few Paul McCartney, and a little bit of OST music I usually use for testing. Bob Dylan and Paul McCartney were DSD5s, where the OST genre in FLAC, just for reference. Vocals are very good, no significant weakness in terms of soundstage, and everything seems just so right with this. If it has to be in the front, it is. If it's meant to be in the background, it is. Classical music is just so good, but you don't have to worry, it has bass as well. If you are a purely bass-heavy person, I don't actually recommend it. It has a little bit brighter aspect, very similar to the MakaiTechReviews K5, but still decent enough to enjoy most Stifle's genre. I know, and I have to repeat always myself, judging sound quality and preference is very subjective, but after testing several IEMs, I have the confidence to say that FiiO FH1 has probably the best price per value currently on the market right now. Decent amount of accessories, options between two different types of cable, and last but not least, a very good sound quality. Highly recommended. As always, if you have any questions regarding this product, then ask it in the comment section below and we'll try to answer all of them. And if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.